Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Has No Limit. Today I'm gonna show you how we can draw a diagram using RStudio. So let's start. Let's assign some value to a specific variable, suppose x. Suppose we consider x as it's showing a number of months, right? So the value should be 1 to 12. We are using vectors. So now if I call x by pressing enter, it will show us the values, right? All right. Now let's consider y, which will represents income for the 12 month, right? So let's put some values, suppose 100, then some other value. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and then one more 12. So now if I call y, then press Ctrl enter, then the values would be here. Now we would like to draw the diagram for this. How we can draw the diagram? Simple command plot. So inside the plot, inside the first bracket, we just simply put the variable, that is x and y, and then press Ctrl Y, Ctrl enter. So as you write, this is the diagram. This is the diagram that you can see for x and y. See, x-axis representing the number of month and y-axis is representing income. But this graph is not showing any information. This graph does not look good. So let's make it good. Let's labeling x and y axis. So x label, or the x will represents number of months, right? So let's put months and then press Ctrl enter. See, instead of x, now it's showing months. Instead of x, now it's showing months. Now let's label y. Y lab would be the command, and then we can write income as it's showing income. So instead of y, so y now will represent income. Look at y-axis. So it's showing income, right? Now if we would like to give a heading for this diagram, we can do that by using a command, that is main. So main equal to whatever name you want to give this for this diagram. Suppose for this one I want to write down income per month. So basically this diagram is showing income per month. So yes, there is a heading now, income per month, right? So labeling is done. X-axis is representing months, y-axis is representing income, and this diagram is all about income per month. Now if you would like to edit more, then what we can do, we can specify the type of the diagram. When you write down the type of the diagram, you will see a box that actually tells you what type of diagram you want. Suppose if I put O, then this diagram will come. Okay, instead of O, if I put S, another type of diagram will come. So it depends what type of diagram you want to see. All right, so for the time being, let's go with O. So this would be our diagram. All right, now we want to make more changes. Suppose let's put PCH equal to 15 and then press Ctrl enter. Now what we can see, that the joining point is showing a different color, right? Now we can notice more clearly what are the joining points. If you put 20, it would be different. See, now it would be different, so keep it as 20 and let's proceed. Let's use LWD and let's put the value that is 1 and let's see what happens. So it shows the line whether it is more dark or you want something different. So if you want more dark, then you can use LWD equal to 2. Now if you want color, then you can use also color. So for color, the command would be color equal to what color you want. If you want green, if you want blue, then write down blue and then press Ctrl Enter. So the graph will become blue. Or if you want it to be red, then it will simply become red. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you.